Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a clip selected and the playhead on the frame you want to freeze. First, zoom the timeline so you can see frame boundaries. This gives precision. Once the playhead is locked to the frame, make sure snapping is on to avoid half-frame errors. You now have the exact frame chosen. Next, you'll create the freeze using a retime or a hold frame so the frozen moment reads like a deliberate edit. Now create the freeze. Right-click the clip and choose Add Freeze Frame or press Option F to insert a freeze at the playhead. Once the freeze clip appears in the timeline, drag its edge to set duration. Shorter is punchier, longer is cinematic. If motion before or after looks jarring, apply optical flow or frame, blending in the retiming settings to smooth interpolation. Also consider matching color and audio so the frozen moment feels integrated with surrounding footage. Finish by trimming adjacent clips and ripple editing so the timeline timing remains intact. Render the section if playback stutters. Final Cut Pro often needs background render for complex frames. Once rendered, check the freeze at full resolution. If you see artifacts or warping, switch between optical flow and frame blending or fall back to a simple hold frame. If the freeze is off by one frame, nudge the freeze segment one frame left or right to fix alignment immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.